The next thing we look at in our SIOP model is the actual delivery of the lesson when we are observing teachers. We have already gone through the preparation phase where teachers have identified the language and content objectives that they'll be using. At this particular time, we want to find out if their actual lesson delivery supported those objectives. Sometimes we'll find that there have been wonderful objectives, but for different reasons, the class goes a little bit astray or they run out of time. So we always want teachers to reflect on their lesson after it's been delivered and compare it to what they had originally prepared. Another thing when we're thinking about the delivery of the lesson that we want teachers to reflect on and pay attention to is the engagement of the students. In effective lessons, we'll find that the students were engaged 90 to 100% of the time. Now, this doesn't mean they're always talking, but they're on task. They're following the teacher, they're doing the assignment, they're paying attention. If a lesson gets below 50% of student engagement, we know that there's a problem. But coupled with that has to do with the pacing of the lesson. Teachers have to move things along, of course. There's curriculum to cover, we all know that. But nonetheless, there has to be sensitivity to the second language learners' needs of whether or not they need, for example, more discussion or more practice on one area because it's relatively new to them.